Hello, I would like to show you how to load data from the assets folder. Here is my workspace. And to-do app. Workspace is test cases. Workspace has projects folder and applications. And here is to-do app. If you want to use assets folder, create it in source directory. And create a test file. Save it. I have created a test file, and now open the Angular JSON file in the workspace. Find the project. The project name is the application. Find the application because we created an application. The application name is to-do app. You have in this workspace in Angular JSON you have more applications. Here is this application, to-do app. Find assets, property, it is here, and add after this object string with the projects folder as a root. It is this folder. Now the name of the application. src and assets. Save Angular JSON file. Now stop the server and restart the server. After the build, the assets folder works and you can test it. Now the assets folder is available and accessible. The difference between the project and application is that you have to insert the projects folder and application name. In the project Angular JSON, you will only use this.